Alright everybody, welcome back to Supreme Tech. Today I got a very important video for a very annoying thing that happens to everybody, and I know you need some help with it. Don't worry, I'm going to be getting to it in this video. Stick around to the end so you find out exactly how to get rid of all those social media emails that come in your email, and they just stack up and you get thousands of them back to back. This video I'm going to show you exactly how to get rid of them, exactly how to have them stop sending them to you every single hour on the hour. Don't worry, stick around to the end of the video. Let's get right into it. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on them post notifications, smash that like button if this video helps you out. Let's get right into it. Alright, so if you got a Gmail and you have Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, all them different social media accounts, right? I guarantee that you get these emails for every single thing that happened. If you get a share, if you get a like, if you get a thumbs up, all that, they're going to send you an email for every single thing that happens. And if you're like me, you hate them, right? I just got done deleting about 500 emails, and I still got all these to go on one of my email addresses, right? So I just thought I'd make a quick video on how to get it so that they stop sending you these emails, because all you got to do is check your notifications in the app or on the website, and you don't got to worry about getting all these emails and having to delete them or archive them or anything like that. Let's show you how to do that right now, guys. So now we're going to open up this email, right? Now all this email told me was that this person shared something. That's all the email is telling me. This person shared this post right here. That's it. Something that you can find out when you log on to Twitter itself. So stupid. I don't even know why they do it. I don't know anybody that likes getting these emails, right? So in order to delete them, you got to scroll all the way to the bottom, okay? All the way at the bottom, you're going to see it says help, privacy, reset password, download app. And then it says we sent this email to blank, and it says unsubscribe. So all you got to do, click unsubscribe, and that's it. It says success. Emails like this will no longer be sent to this email address. Okay? Then you just X out of that, go back, you go find one from Facebook, okay? Same thing, scroll all the way to the bottom. All this is telling me is I have 6 new notifications, right? It's so stupid, I don't even know why they do it. Same thing at the bottom, unsubscribe. Click on it, open it up in a web browser. It's going to bring you here. Would you like to opt out of this email notification? Confirm. Simple as that. It's all you got to do. Once you confirm your settings have been updated, you've opted out of receiving these notifications from Facebook. Okay. Now, all that's left to do is just delete all of them that you have, and you won't be getting any more. Now, this will work for all those social medias. It also works for, say you got promotional stuff, right? You click on promotions, say we got stuff from all these ads, right? Apple News, Pinterest, Icons, 8Team, Taco for Trello, Grammarly Insights, all this, right? Same thing, Apple News, you don't want it no more. View entire message. Scroll all the way to the bottom, and at the very bottom, as you can see, unsubscribe. We're going to unsubscribe from here now. And this one's for Apple, so they got a couple extra steps. But if they have extra steps, all you got to do is follow what they say, and you'll be able to get out of them. Now, I hate getting all these promotions and social media emails, guys. I know you do too. Follow the video. You'll be set. If you have any problems, comment down below. Let me know if you need help. Let me know if this video helps you out. And if it did, comment down below. Thanks or anything like that. Really helps out the algorithm. That about does it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.